Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Let's start with the most straightforward approach to duplication. First, select the clip, image, or audio segment you wish to copy directly on your timeline. With the item highlighted, simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. Then, move your playhead to where you want the duplicate to appear and press Ctrl+V. This places an identical copy right at that spot, allowing for quick replication of any single asset within your project, saving you valuable seconds. For an even more intuitive way to duplicate and position simultaneously, use the Alt-Drag method. Select your desired clip on the timeline, then press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While still holding Alt, click and drag the clip to a new position. As you drag, a duplicate will be created and placed exactly where you release the mouse button. This is excellent for creating overlays or quickly building up visual effects with a clear, immediate preview of its placement. Sometimes you need to duplicate an entire section of your project, not just one clip. To do this, simply select multiple clips by holding Shift and clicking on each one, or by dragging a selection box around them. Once your group of assets is selected, you can use the familiar Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V shortcuts to copy and paste them as a unit. Alternatively, use the Alt-Drag technique to duplicate and relocate the entire selection in one smooth action, maintaining their precise arrangement. Beyond simple copies, duplication opens up a world of creative possibilities. Imagine duplicating a video clip, placing it on a track above the original, and then applying a blur or color grade to only the top layer. You can create cool effects like a subtle echo or a vibrant overlay by adjusting the opacity and blending mode of the duplicated clip. This method is crucial for developing sophisticated visual compositions, from picture-in-picture to intricate layer-based animations, expanding your editing toolkit significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.